John Mellencamp's song, Jack and Diane, only uses 3 chords throughout the entire song. A, E, and D. But the way John plays these chords makes it sound like there are loads more chords being played. This song is the perfect song to learn about triads and their inversions. Let's dive in. The first chord we're going to play in this song is this A chord here. So we've got 2nd finger, 10th fret of the B, 1st finger, 9th fret of the G string, and 3rd finger, 11th fret of the D. We have the A there, major 3rd on the D string, 5th on the G string. Now this chord voicing actually comes from a cage-shaped C chord. It's like we've got a bar there and we're playing a C chord above and our root, 12th fret of the A string. We don't actually need it in this case because the root's already there on the B string at the 10th fret and also with the open A string. We're going to go down to an E chord. This comes from an A-shaped bar chord, A-shaped from the cage system. We're going to have the open A and the 1st finger bar on the 9th fret of the D, G and B strings for our E chord. So we're going to play A, E, and then go down 2 frets to this D chord here. It's the same chord voicing we just used for the E, just down 2 frets. Again, it's from an A-shaped D chord. We have open A, 7th fret on the D, 7th fret on the G, 7th fret on the B. That's how we call it. So A, E, D. Then we have the open D string. If you want to add that in there, that's fine. So we've got A, E, D, bass note. For the second riff, we're going to start with an A chord. And this is actually the high part of an E major bar chord. So we've got 1st finger bar on the high E and B at the 5th fret, and then the 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the G string. Strum down, then add the 3rd finger to the high E string at the 7th fret. Then we're going to hit 2 muted strums. So we just release the pressure on the left hand and get the strum down. Then we go to a D-shaped chord, but up 2 frets here. So we've got 2nd finger, 4th fret of the high E, 3rd finger, 5th fret of the B, 1st finger, 4th fret of the G. And this is our E major chord. So A, E, and then we're going to strum up, down, mute, mute. So far. Then we go to our D chord and we'll strum down, down, mute, up on the chord saw. We've got 2 mutes as we're moving to an E chord again. On the up strum, we're going to put the pinky finger down on the 5th fret, take it off for the down strum. And 2 mutes. So slowly A, mute, mute, E, mute, mute, D, and then E, on, off. So far we've got A, E, D, E, on, off, mute, mute, then we start again, A, E, exactly the same as the first time to this point here, and when we play the D there we've got down, mute, straight up to the E chord, and hit the E chord. Then we've got 2 muted hits, A, down, down, mute, mute. So from the D we've got D, mute, E, mute, mute, A, mute, mute. So the third riff starts off on an actual A major chord. Then we go to this D chord, which again is from the C-shaped cage chord. So A, E, and back to the A, back to the D. This time we're going to slide up 2 frets and make that D to an E. So A, D, A, D. Then we're going to hit the bass and the E chord. So and 2 mutes, then D, D, E. Pinky finger down on the 7th fret of the B, and then off. So. Second time through starts the same. A, D, slide, bass E, D, 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 and then we finish A and a mute. The outro uses the same chord voicings as the first riff. We have the A, E, E, A, E, A, E, D, and then the bass. So. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.